Hello and welcome to E Prime. This evening I am Daydrin. The entertainment fraternity has been sent into mourning once again, this time following news that veteran actor and comedian Bob Saget has died. The actor was found unresponsive by staff in his room at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Orlando, Florida on Sunday. It is reported that officers from the Orange County Sheriff's Department arrived after a call from hotel staff and pronounced him dead at the scene. A statement from the sheriff's office says that detectives found no signs of foul play or drug use in this case. The exact details surrounding his death remain unclear. Saget recently kicked off his Bob Saget I Don't Do Negative tour. His most recent performance was on Saturday in the city of Jacksonville in Florida. Bob Saget is known for his acting roles, which include Danny Tanner in the sitcom Full House, its sequel Fuller House, and the voice of Ted Mosby in the sitcom How I Met Your Mother. Jamaican music legend Sister Nancy continues to reap the success of her timeless classic, Bam Bam. The track was recently certified silver in the United Kingdom after it sold over 200,000 copies, as measured by the British Phonographic Industry BPI. Bam Bam was first recorded back in 1982 for her 1-2 albums with the late producer Winston Riley. The track was recently featured in the James Bond film No Time to Die, as well as the Netflix series Made. The classic was also sampled by many international stars, among them Kanye West, Rihanna, Jay-Z, Junior Gong Marley, among others. Nancy is also known for her songs Transport Connection, Roof Over My Head, among others. Reggae legends Bob Marley and the Wailers, their classic hit Three Little Birds, reached a multi-platinum status in the United Kingdom. According to the British Phonographic Industry, Three Little Birds was issued a Brit Double Platinum Certification Award after it sold over 1.2 million copies in the UK. The track was first released back in 1977 and is featured on Bob Marley and the Wailers' album Exodus. The 79th staging of the Golden Globe Awards took place on Sunday night at the Beverly Hilton Hotel in Los Angeles. The night saw big wins, including Will Smith, who won Best Actor in a Motion Picture Drama for his role in King Richard as Richard Williams, the father of Venus and Serena Williams. Kenneth Branagh received the award for Best Screenplay, Motion Picture and Film for Belfast. British-American actor Andrew Garfield won the award for Best Performance for his portrayal of Rent creator Jonathan Larson in Tick Tick Boom, and actor Oh Young-soo won for Squid Game. This year, the untelevised Golden Globe Awards were held as a private event with no audience and no red carpet due to a spike in COVID-19 cases. Only select members and grantees were allowed to attend the ceremony. I'm Daydrin Gordon reporting for E Prime.